Okay, now we're going to be covering how to transfer funds between an account. So let's say that I want to withdraw cash from my checking account, or I want to pay off a credit card. How can I do that? Okay, so the first thing I'll do is I'll withdraw cash. So I can go into my checking account. I'm going to create a new transaction, and I'll do it for today. And if you want to do it for today, you can also press the T button, by the way, and I'll change it to today. And then for payee or payer, I'll leave that blank. And for category, I'll choose cash. And then I'll say withdrew cash for the weekend. And then the amount will be a payment. So let's say I took out $40, and then I'll just press enter. And so we have cash coming out on the 6th of $40. So now if we go back to our cash account, you'll see that there's a new entry in there for the same thing, but it's now a deposit for $40. So now we have a total of $90 in cash. And so if we go back to the home page, you'll see that our total net worth has not changed. We just transferred funds from one account to another. Alright, so let's say we wanted to pay off a credit card. That'd be the same thing. You can go to the credit card and then create a new transaction. And you can leave the payer or payee blank, and then you'll say for memo, pay off minimum amount of credit card, and we'll say we paid $15. Nope, $15, and we set the category to checking account. And then we press enter. And so now we've reduced the balance of our credit card by $15. Okay, and then let's do kind of a unique scenario. Let's say we actually increased our credit card on the 10th by $1,000. And then we'll just say we paid for our hobby. We'll call this like Hobby Inc. Bought a new RC airplane. Alright, so that's for $1,000. And then let's say that we had interest come through. We'll do that. So for interest, we'll just put this for the 11th. And for payee, we'll put Wells Fargo. For category, we'll put interest. And then we'll put, we'll say it's $15 of interest. And we'll go ahead and press enter. And now let's say that this interest rate was too much and we wanted to pay off our credit card with our premium credit card. So what we can do is we can set the category to credit card, premium credit card, paid off credit with lower interest rate credit card, and we'll make the payment of $1,015, and we'll go ahead and press enter. And so now we've reduced the balance of our credit card to $22. And if we go back to our home screen and look at our premium credit card, it's zero because this is in the future, but you'll see that it has a balance of $115. So let's go ahead and edit the dates to be today, and go back to our credit card here and edit the dates to be today. And then go back to the home page, and you'll see here that it shows up on our total. So now our net worth has dropped by about $1,015. So that's how you do transfers. If you want to transfer it as savings or some other account, it would be the same way. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. And thanks for watching.